Hey guys, it's Danny here with 937 Woodworks. Hey, I wanted to do a quick review on my Win 9-inch 2.8 amp bench top bandsaw. Okay, I bought this bandsaw just to add it to my shop as a just an extra piece of equipment. You know, when I needed it for certain things to make rounded cuts. Okay. I don't use it very much, and the reason is I watched a lot of reviews on this. People gave it good reviews, but and don't get me wrong, and don't take this the wrong way. Win makes good tools. I have a jigsaw that's second to none from them. It's amazing. I got Win clamps. They're great. I don't have any problem with Win. What problem I do have with this is, first of all, this thing is junk. This right here is junk. Just don't even include it with the tool because it's not worth using. It's like, watch, it gets hung up right here and it pops. Well, now it's not because I did grease it down, but before I greased it, that was popping up right there like that. It would do that right there. So I greased it down with WD-40 to see if I could get it to stop. All right, now it's stuck. That's what I'm saying. It gives me a hard time. Okay. Second of all, I thought, well, I want to try this. I never did have. I want to try this, and I'm gonna move it to 0. Now I'm gonna show you something. It's sitting on 0 right now. I'm going to turn the saw on. Okay, I'm going to just use this and go straight through. Make a straight cut. Okay, it says it's a straight cut, right? Let me show you on the square. It's not a straight cut. There's a gap. You see the gap? There's a gap in it. You have to jiggle it around to get it back to 0. This is all loose, and it just, I don't know. And then second of all, I understand it's 2.8 amps, but it has no power to it. Like, if I take a 2x4 through it, at any speed it shuts it down. These are the problems I have with it. I got likes with it too, so I'll get to those in a second. The second problem I have, this needs to be different. It needs a lock or something, because unless you get your square and bring it over here, this thing is always, look at it, always all crooked, and it never makes a straight. You can't make a straight cut on this saw. That's why a lot of times I just don't use it unless I'm cutting rounded edges. That's mainly what this saw's for, is rounded edges. And I wanted to do a quick tutorial so you guys could see before you went out and bought it, to get it. And I've had it for about 5 months, so it's not that I just got it and haven't used it and don't know what to do with it. But I would recommend, if you're gonna get a Win bandsaw, to save up and get the 10-inch. It's still a little cheaper than the competitors, and it's probably a better buy. So it's got more power and it's a bigger saw. But some of the now to the features I do like. This, when I lower this down, I got it locked right now, but when I lower it down, it can it cuts wood good. Like, I can get good round cuts on these small pieces. Let's see. It's hard to do it with one hand but hold on, it's not moving. Let me unlock it. But you can get a good round edge cut. But if you go fast at all, it'll shut it off. So you can get a good round edge cut on it, and that's basically what I use it for. when I'm in the middle of a project and I need to make a quick rounded edge cut or a corner cut, I'll use that. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial and a review on it. If you guys have any questions, just ask. Like I said, I'm not telling you not to buy it if you want to use it like I do. I mean, it's 136. Well, when I bought it, it was 136. I think it's 169 now. But I'm just saying, if I was you, I would save up and get a little bit of a better motor on it. It just, to me, it's not got enough power to do any kind of cutting. A lot of the guys that you see on YouTube with the saws that they can cut and actually make boards with lumber, they're using big giant bandsaws, ones that's got a lot of power to them. And if you have a big giant bandsaw, it's a great tool and an asset. And the reason I bought this is, if you can see, my shop is not very big right now, and I'm working on building me a new shop. So only reason I bought this is for the small shop. I think when I get my new shop built, I'll buy me a bigger saw, probably a Rikon. I like those a lot, so that's probably what I'll switch to. And like I said, I'm not bad mouthing Win. I got a few Win tools that I really like, and they do make good tools, believe it or not. Win, just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's not good. They make actually really good tools. My jigsaw, like I said, it's as good as a Milwaukee. So it's got the same power and everything that a Milwaukee's got. It never has a bit of problem. So that's what I'm saying. Win makes good tools. I think instead of them selling this product, they should have just only offered the 10-inch line, because the 9-inch the 9-inch line with the small motor, the 2.8 amp motor, it just don't have enough power, so it bogs down. I was thinking about adding a new motor onto it, but I mean, at 9 inches, it just don't have a big enough cut radius. You know, you stick a board in there, it's just got, I don't know, the top smaller on it. I just feel like you'll be better off with the 10-inch because of the power and the bigger area to cut. Just that 1 inch adds a lot of room, believe it or not. It adds a whole lot of room. So guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update and give you a quick review on this tool. Like I said, if you got any questions or comments, get back with me and I'll do my best to answer them. If you want to see any other videos on tool reviews, just ask and I'll do it. All right guys, thanks. God bless and have a good day.